Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix not enough memory to open this Google Chrome error and in a few steps. And all that is expected of you is to watch this video all the way to the end and you'll learn how to do it. So let's move on, let's show you how to do it. First, open Windows Searcher here and search for View Advanced like this and click here. Now it appears this window, so just click on Advanced like this and click on Settings, click on Advanced again and click on Change. Here, as you can see, just if this automatically manage paging file size for all the drivers is check it off, just check it off like this and just check this off, custom size and make it like this 1024 and here 1024. And yeah, that's it. Just click on set, click on OK, and I don't want to change it because I forgot my install size. I don't want to forget my install size. Oh, here it is. But yeah, then one. Okay, let's click on OK and then click OK again, and then just restart your PC and then there will be no more this error and you can open your tabs in Google Chrome with no errors. So that's it. That was how to fix not enough memory to open this Google Chrome error. And yeah, if I helped you out, make sure to give it a like, and also if you have some questions, if you have some problems, you can comment down below the video in the comments and I'll try to respond in a few days. And see you next video. Bye.